We stayed in a few guest houses, but our favourite was Rastamans Garden, an amazing multicolored, multi-storied complex with one of the most incredible gardens I've ever been in my life. How you doing, buddy? I'm Riaz from London.
Alright, beat and low.
Ladies and gentlemen, Brilliant on the
The sea right there. So this is all your garden up here?
All the way up here, yeah.
All the way?
Yeah.
So you got coconut trees?
Coconut trees, apples, mangoes, plantain, banana, apples, cocoa, dashi, breadfruit, lemon, lime, sugar cane, and all these things. You can see all the,
Star apple tree.
yeah, and we have the mango tree, lemon tree, lime tree, the breadfruit tree, that's the breadfruit tree. Up here, all them big trees, the breadfruit tree. Yeah. Dry coconuts in on the tree.
Yeah.
So much dry coconuts for making food.
Oh, you grate them?
Yeah, I grate those.
Put them in the rice and peas and that?
Right, yeah. And make stew.
Stew. So you can't drink those ones?
Yeah, you can drink those water.
Back in Rastamans Rev's amazing garden, he told me I could have anything and eat anything I wanted. I just had to get it myself. This was easier said than done. Oh, sugarcane. So at the top of Rastamans Rev's garden. It was a lot harder than it looked. Oh, made it up. That was fresh coconut everywhere. So I'm about to pick some and have some drink.
eat.
Right now just chilling on Rastaman Rev's really cool veranda. And I'm going to take a short trip to visit this amazing knitting shop that we've passed every time we've come here. So if you see it close, it's really just there, that blue shop there. This is an amazing cool shop where this lady knits pretty much anything under the sun, so we're gonna go check that out. This is Empress Laney, Somerstown Road. Amazing. Got beads, hats, knitted gowns. Everything made right here in the shop.
Yes, we make everything. For the house, this is to clean the floor again, and these are polish, red polish that you use, stain.
Ah.
And
30 hertz straight up.
yes, so on my line, turn this part inside.
Yeah.
Very nice.
It's a beach dress, he said.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not for me, but yeah, the girls would like that one.
Girls will like it. Who's over here too, you know, lots of behind the neck.
Our big hats. There we are, see you later. Bye. Bye. Bye.
See you.
Bye.
Bye.
So we got a big crew today. Heading to Jesus Christ. Big crew today. Heading to Blue Lagoon. Gonna go swimming. Maybe do some rafting. Are you sure this is 7.6?
How much you say? Yo.
Everybody can hold. Everybody can hold.
How much?
We're 150 each.
Yeah.
Money no fi call thicker than a. Yo, who you know with a clutch back when a.